Now here's how you can turn off the Find My iPhone before you sell it to someone else. So let me guide you through it and explain the whole thing. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, usually you would go to the settings, tap on your profile, and at the top and find the Find My section where you can tap on it and disable the Find My network, Find My iPhone, as well as sending of the last location. And so you can turn it off and it will basically not going to work on this device anymore. But that's not going to be enough if you are trying to sell the device, because you need to wipe the iPhone completely and also sign out from all of the accounts, including the Apple ID. And the best way to do it would be to still be inside of the settings, but instead tap on the general, and at the bottom you can find a transfer or reset iPhone, which will give you the ability to erase all content and settings. And when you click on this, you can see that it will disable the Find My activation lock. It will turn off the Apple account as well as the apps and the data. It's going to tell you how much it's actually going to be, and those data is going to be basically gone. So you need to continue with it. You will have to type in all of the confirmation codes and all of this stuff to make sure that you really want to proceed with this, because after this your iPhone will be wiped clean and all of the data will be gone. But that's exactly what you need to do if you try to sell the device. So I hope that I was able to explain that to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.